Hello guys, I hope you're okay. Let's start what happened today in the gold and what can happen. Okay. Uh, Basically the market. Let me share my screen first of all. Let me. So basically, market came to 1914 level. It was when the market opened. It went up, tested to 1932 level. That was very important level. It was broke earlier on, and market went straight down after that at 1914 levels. So nearly 100 and 150 plus pips. And this was a 4-hour scenario as well, as you can see more clearly in 4 hours. And previously, market broke and retest this level, which is 1940 level previously. This level, there was a level here as well, 1950 level. And before that, we had this level as well, around 1980 level. And on top, we had 1987 level. But this was the extreme level. If the market went up from that side, we could expect the double top to the all-time high, which is 2060. So what now? What we are expecting? The market standing at the level, and we expect some bounce from here. If the market comes to this level around 92, 93 levels, which is this level 1994, 1924, 1922, then we can expect another sell from here. And the next target is this 19, this is 10, that's a level. Let me put that's a 1910 level, and then another level is 1900 and it's 1900 level, and you can see there's a different levels after that. The ultimate levels are 1900 and 1893. And even we got level 1886 and so on. However, the market will not move in one day or in few hours. That is probably in a week or so. So if you see any good rejection from 1900, then we can see possible move to the upside, at least for short term, if not for long term, because it makes a double bottom here as well. So in 1 hour, see what's 1 hour, and we clearly see that market can, once this area is broken, we can expect a further move to the around this area, to this side. Guys, nothing is final in Forex. It's all based on probability. So let's see what happens, and we can see that there's a news as well on to the 10th of August 2023, because heavy impact news CPI at 1:30 p.m. UK time, and we have 9:15 FOMC member Harker speaks. That's medium back news. So I hope this day will be good for you as well. And let's see